Good afternoon, class 7, and a warm welcome back. So we are going to go ahead with our learning of Africa. But we started with a little bit of discussion on Asia and Tibet and that region. Shubhayan, interesting facts shared by you. And we were discussing about the books that you that you got in, as prize books for which you all read, which is also a good thing. Even then, now if you buy online books and all and study, that's equally good. Have sometimes reading and it helps you calm down, relax, which is a very good thing. Now we are going to go ahead with Africa. I have uploaded the work set. Okay, you all have got one work which I'm going to share and explain quickly a little bit. In geography, just hold on a moment, my dear.
Yes, ma'am, I have seen it, the project one.
Yes, you have got a small project. Small project means it's a project that you are going to do. I have uploaded your answer key also. And I'm going to tell you, you all are going to do one project, and I'll be taking, there'll be an exam towards the end of the month. Now, try to do the project whenever you get some time. So this is your project. Yes. So your project topic is, like last day we were discussing, Africa, the continent containing valuable mineral deposits, but lacking economic development. See, most of African countries, not all, I will not say that all of them are very backward, but most of African countries are economically underdeveloped. Some are developing, but most of them are underdeveloped. While Africa as a continent, it is mostly a plateau region. Plateaus, there are some deserts, but then it is mostly a plateau, undulating plateau up and down, which has good mineral deposits, but still it is lacking in the economic development part. Most of the countries, you are to, this is what you are going to find out. So first you can name, you are going to start with a small introduction, anything. Then you are going to prepare this table. Okay, you will name any, I have given it here, any 4 to maximum 8. You can choose 5, you can choose 6, you can choose 8 also. Maximum 8 I have written. I think 4, 5, 6 will be a good number. 5, 6 is good to go. So 5 to 6, any mineral you choose that is found in Africa, of course. Not any mineral means not anything and everything that is found in Africa. Then you are going to write it that in which part of Africa it is found, including names of countries. Okay, you can write it, not, suppose you are writing any part, you can write eastern part, or you can write southeastern part, wherever something is found, you are going to write that, and you can write mainly spread over the countries of 1 or 2 examples you can give, whatever you write. Then you can mention a few uses of that mineral, that this mineral is very used in this industry, it is used for this, that, whatever. At least 4. I'm asking for at least 4. So try to find out 4. If 5, that is very good. I have said 8 maximum. Okay, 8 is the maximum, not necessary that everybody has to give 8. Or if somebody gives 5 and somebody gives 8, there will be a huge difference. I'm not saying it this way, because I will see the quality of your work. On whatever minerals you have chosen, what you write, how you write, that I'm going to observe. Okay, if somebody writes 5 minerals to 6 minerals, but nice detailing in that, based on that mineral is done, so that person will also get good marks. Now you're going to get the uses, and in which you can mention here that it is used in which industry or used for what you mention.
How many uses?
That also depends. This I'm not going to say it depends on what you find out. What?
Will you share this document?
It is already
It's
shared
shared.
in Vicon. In Vicon, I have uploaded it. The work set, this is the work set. It is uploaded in Vicon. I have uploaded it in advance only. Now, if there is any interesting fact, you can share it. If not, you can add relevant pictures, or what you can do is, you can do this, means pictures one, you can share for one mineral. You can, at the bottom, you can add the pictures or maps. One mineral, then another table for another mineral. So this is like this. You can do it in PPT also. You can do it in Word document also. Even if someone wants to do it in file sheets and write down, I am okay with it. And paste pictures, that is also fine for me. Okay, I don't mind. If someone wants to make a, chart, if someone wants to make a chart and make a video explaining it like you did for atmosphere, that is also okay. Means I am going to accept all those. Any way you want to present, you can present. This is a 10 marks part. After you make this table, first with a small introduction on Africa, then this table, and then you write this. This is important. That why you think that in spite of being rich in mineral deposits, why most African countries are still underdeveloped and economically backward. This in points. You can write this in points. You can make another table for this with with the names of the countries on one side and reasons for backwardness. You can do that also. So, or I think Africa in general, you can make a few points on this. This should be there. And lastly, a small conclusion, and you can end it. You are getting 1 full month. I'm allowing you. Last date of submission 30th November, not beyond that. So within 30th November, whenever you submit, whenever you finish, you can submit. So you are getting 1 whole month. Beyond 30th, believe me, not a single work will be accepted. I'm not going to allow you time, and I'm today it's 29th of October. I'm giving you full 1 month to do the work in a nice way and submit it to me. In between, there will be tests and all held, but I'm giving this scope to you so that you can do some good research and prepare the work nicely.
Ma'am,
All right?
Ma'am,
ma'am, for the minerals, without drawing a table, can we write it like one by one,
Means
like in
not,
paragraph?
what you can do is this. No, paragraph is something that I will not really appreciate. I would what you can do is, for one mineral you can make one table. Suppose you are selecting gold. Okay, gold is a mineral that is found in Africa. Okay, you write gold, then parts where it is found, including names of countries, uses, and economic importance you can add, that it is of high economic value, all those. Any interesting fact other than that you can add if it is available. This is not compulsory. These 3 are compulsory. This is, if you get it, you add it. If you don't, you can just give a small dash. And lastly, you have to do this. Now, 1 table for gold. You end it. Then at the end, you can just remove this pictures point. Then at the bottom, you paste the pictures. Draw a line. Then gold is over. Again, you make the same table for the next mineral. Understood? Try to do
Yes,
it
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
try to do it as tables. If you are doing it in a PPT, then 1 slide for 1 mineral. So like this, try to use a table or a nice organized format that I would like to see the work.
Ma'am, in Word document, you do without the table, so it will be easier.
No, without that, I want the table. Means I want the information under these heads. That is why I have given you. Not anything and everything. I want the information that you are giving divided into these points. And
Ma'am,
that's
I
the
will,
only you are giving.
Can we do
So
like,
each-
we will give these subheadings only and then write like 1 by 1 like that?
Okay, what you can do is that instead of doing it this way, I'll just show it to you. Let me just show it here. If you can do insert table, one more way, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you can Oh, sorry, I inserted it in the wrong place. Anyway, you can do it this way. Like, instead of doing a table like this, what you can do is that you can write name of the mineral here, countries here. Then alternatively in the blocks, you write it down. Side by
Yes.
side. You can make
Yes,
a
this
table
will be
like this
easier.
also. That is fine.
Yeah.
Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
You
Yes,
can
ma'am.
make a table like this also. Yes, yes, yes. That is a thumbs up. You can,
Ma'am,
with
can
the
we-
same hands. Huh?
Can we make a video with the table? With the table.
With the table, yeah, you can make a video. You can explain and make a video. Now that is all your work. So till 30th November, you have got time to do this project and submit it to me within 30th, means within. Try not to keep it for 29th of November. Try to give it before that. Okay, so this is one work that you have got as a homework while we go on learning the chapter, and there'll be one assessment also. Now, Africa, as you all know, Africa is the continent which is mostly in which zone, which heat zone?
Ma'am,
Torrid
Tropical
zone.
zone.
Torrid
Torrid zone, not the tropical zone.
And all the three
Torrid or
important
tropical?
latitudes, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, and Equator, passes through Africa. Now, Africa is mostly the middle part of Africa is in the torrid zone. So it is hot. We expect the climate of Africa to be, hot, except for the top part and the bottom part. That is, oh, sorry, 1 minute. My book got folded this way. Otherwise, I'll not be able to. Only this little part on the top, this little part on the top, and this little part at the bottom, most of Africa is in the torrid zone. Now, Africa as a continent, the climate, as I said, it is hot, but since it is a plateau in many regions and some mountain ranges, places having higher altitude, you have read in climate that for every rise in 165 meters, there is a drop of 1 degree Celsius. This is called, quick think answer.
Normal lapse rate.
Normal
Normal
Very
lapse rate.
good. Very good. Others.
I used to say normal time lapse.
Wait, let's
Corrected.
go to weather and climate. I'll make you do maths, sums on weather and climate. When I do weather and climate, there are a lot of weather instruments. I'll tell you to make weather
There is
instruments.
maths
also.
everywhere. There is maths left, there is maths right, there is left in front, and there is maths at center.
So that's then fine. That is fine. Okay, now Africa, as I said, the places which are in a little higher altitude, they have a climate which is a little cooler,
Yeah,
and
but
the
still-
areas which are in the lower altitude. But most of Africa is is an uneven plateau region. So Africa, when we study the land of Africa, the physical divisions, we divide it into mountains and plateaus which dominate the topography. Hence, so many minerals.
I mean, Shopajit, the link.
Now, we know what you do during the class.
ma'am,
We know.
You are muted.
And you're
we are
muted.
My home Wi-Fi.
I can actually hear everyone, but everyone's video is black.
Like, most of the people's Wi-Fi got cut out after you logged out. Like half of the class got logged out.
This
Yes,
is what I'm
25 is
saying.
only there now. I can actually hear everyone actually
recording
clearly,
is
but
good.
I can't see anyone. Everyone's video is black or getting paused.
Whatever be the reason, then I had to use my means
It
my
is happening
phone
to
network
almost
hotspot.
everyone.
My home hotspot. I don't know what happened, what went wrong. Okay. Oh, Shinjana, your brother is giving ICC.
Wait, did we just
Okay.
get Thanos snapped?
If you all got
Ma'am,
snapped,
did
even
we
I
just
got
get Thanos
snapped.
snapped?
I don't know what happened. Whatever happened, now I'm
Ma'am, at
connecting to my
12 o'clock, the
phone
net
mobile
goes,
data.
after 12 o'clock afternoon, the net goes down.
Why? Whatever be the reason, there must have been some problem for which everything went
Okay,
down.
Zoom servers got dead, I think.
No, I don't know.
Zoom servers had a network drop.
Not the maybe something happened. Now I'm connecting with my mobile data.
Ma'am,
I think Zoom servers got a network drop.
I can hear everybody, but again everybody's video
Yes,
is
ma'am.
black.
Sometimes
Keep the
No,
video
because
off. Keep
most
your
of the
videos
people-
off as long as you can hear
My
me.
video is off from a little bit long time.
Okay.
I can
Keep the
see
videos
everyone. I
off.
can hear everyone.
I'll share next day and show something. Then I was going to share the map of Africa and tell you. Okay, now Africa is mostly divided into mountains and plateaus which dominate the topography of this region. And along with mountains and plateaus, you know, children,
And your
Africa,
voice is breaking.
this is because of net issues. You know, I have already switched off
No,
my
it is not breaking.
no, this is because I'm using my phone mobile data now. My home Wi-Fi was not working at all. I don't know what went wrong. Hence, and it is phone mobile data. That is why this problem is there. Anyway, so as I was saying, first and most important, mountains and plateaus. Along with that, you will find due to faulting, you remember in class 6 you did folding and faulting, fold mountains and block mountains. So in Africa you will find a lot of faulting has taken place. That is, a lot of fault lines have been created, which has resulted in the formation of many rift valleys. Okay, so there is a region in the eastern side of Africa which has lots of rift valleys. So one dominant physical feature is mountains, plateaus, and along with that you will find rift valleys in this region. Then you will find there are plains in Africa, but very what should I say, plains are very thin. Mostly they are located, they are not very long and broad plains. Like if you compare it with India, like we have the Indo-Gangetic plain, then we have plains created by the Yellow River in China, then we have, so some extensive broad plains are there in the continent of Asia and all. Then you did North America, South America last time. You will see middle part, it's a long stretch of plain land. But for Africa, you know, plains are not a very dominant topography. Yes, there are plains, and especially there are plains you will find just beside the sea, which are known as coastal plains. So there are plains which are present just beside the sea, which are coastal plains. They are very narrow. They are found on the side border of Africa. So you will see they are very narrow, and they have mostly, the rivers in this region, they do not form huge extensive plains, are not a very dominant topography in this region. Rather, another dominant another landform that we find is the deserts with sandy soil, very less rainfall. And you know that Africa is a land of, beautiful deserts. So desert vegetation and animals found there. So arid to semi-arid climate is also a part, especially the northern part of Africa and the southern part. In the absolute north, if you see, this is from here to here, the entire region is Sahara. Imagine such a huge desert. Then again, at the bottom, at the lower part, you have the two deserts, Namib and Kalahari. So south as well as north, it has deserts. In the middle, you will find, again, tropical vegetation where there is rainfall. In the middle part, there is rainfall. So we'll go one by one. Okay, we will do this one by one. Let us start with the first broad physical divisions, that is mountains and plateaus. How many of you know about the movie called, the book called Chader Pahar?
Ma'am, everyone.
Everybody.
Everybody.
I love it. Oh,
Movie.
where did the boy, wow, his name was Shankar. Where
Man.
did he go to find, you know, if I ask you to find the diamonds?
Now they're in
Yes,
search of the.
on the mountains of Africa, mountains and jungles. He
Ah.
crossed everything, mountains and jungles. So you have definitely few mountain ranges here, and the highest
Ma'am, it is said that dinosaurs' footprints
dinosaurs.
also
What?
have first spotted in Africa.
Bhune.
Dinosaur
Well,
Footprints and
well.
fossils.
Yes, there are fossils.
First
Even
spotted
the
in Africa.
earliest, you know, we say man has come from apes. So
Yes.
man's early forms, if you actually see, man's early forms are actually seen in Africa. So means the transition period from apes to this, we will find, because the middle part of Africa has jungles. Don't think that all of Africa is a desert. Middle part of Africa then have jungles. Then again, you have
Only the
grasslands.
Some
North
of
part
them,
of
the
Africa
mouth
is the
part
desert
is a little
area.
extended like monkeys.
What,
Their
what?
like face.
Ah,
Their
ah.
face structure, some of them are like that monkeys.
We know our face structure, the skull, it shows some resemblance that they were our ancestors. Some of you must have
How
taken
do the
look.
Ma'am, the
how do
scientists
the
and the
Africans
archaeologists
survive
are
such?
still
Is there
Ma'am,
tail behind
Only
it?
species in the world
scientists
where
and the archaeologists.
What?
These,
Ma'am,
What
ma'am,
can
which
the
one you
artificial-
are talking about or telling me?
are
No, I asked
Ma'am,
already,
the
some of us
scientists-
might find a tail. You know, some of you might there. If you look behind, there can be a small tail. Like O'Neill can have one.
ma'am,
small
which is
tail.
cut after
Ma'am,
birth.
why?
Stays
Someone
inside
In very
the
rare
Ma'am,
womb.
cases,
why?
I just say
Not
that
a baby is
cut
born
bathers
with
were
a
used to
after
be
tail.
our
the
ancestors.
All of
Actually,
them.
in the embryo, the tail is there, but when the baby
We at least have a
grows
tail
up, then the
bone.
tail
If you
is
know
like
this, do you know humans still
Ma'am,
yes,
ma'am,
it is used for
ma'am, when
safety.
Yes,
someone
ma'am.
calls me Bandur, I just say that Bandurs were used to be our ancestors. Please respect them.
I know. I have a cousin brother. If you tell him that don't do Bandrami, so he's elder than me.
Ma'am, that's why they give the same chore which our mothers give.
So he will say Jai
Ma'am,
Bajrang
I have a
Bali."
question.
They are quite, you know, they are
Do
quite
the
happy.
African
And then
do the African people have adapted to the desert areas, or they have developed it into cities?
Some African see in Africa there is a lot of variations found. If you really see, in some parts there are actually primitive tribes living near the deserts and all. They have adapted to the natural environmental condition in the deserts. Then again, you have regions like Egypt, which has used the little area beside the Nile River. Okay, and they have developed it so much from ancient time. They have used the waters of the Nile, and it is such an interesting thing that in spite of
Ma'am,
21
the
participants.
scientists and the archaeologists are still researching on
Discovering
how,
many
like,
things.
from ape to no, ma'am, from
How the
ape to
transition
human,
is
there
made.
should be something
there
in
are
the
only
middle.
There will. If
21
you go to Science
participants.
City, there is a museum now which shows all this. But Ayushman, yes, there are
Yes,
parts
ma'am, we
of
went and saw
Africa
like
which
it,
have been developed by people into cities now, like in Egypt and all. Yes. What else? And they are using the desert landscape for tourism also, you know, tourism purpose. It has Africa has tourism, unique tourism, which is not